See, lately people don't believe you until you show them that you work on your own shit as well. Yeah, I bought my brake booster on Friday afternoon. And there's a new one lying. Not new, better condition, second hand. And obviously I've prepped it with primer paint already. But yeah, that happened on Friday. And when this thing broke, both the front wheels locked up on me. Like 100% locked up on me. So as you can see, brake booster is blocked off. And there's the original brake booster pipe. So yeah, I've been driving without the brake booster now for the past, from Friday. Today's Wednesday. No shit, sorry, today's Thursday. What's the moral of the story? Catch the problem before it becomes a massive problem. Yeah, it happens to us also. You see what happens? The plate rusts, and it rusts out the booster. Luckily, I've acquired a few of these plates over the years. See, the bottom side of that thing's nice though. But the importance of regularly cleaning out the gutter, that's the important part. It will prevent all of this. I got another plate for myself. It's on the shelf there. It's not wonderful, but I'm gonna primer the living hell out of that thing now. So yeah. Now I really don't have brakes. So a few life lessons about brake boosters, eh? So some of the ones have a pin in the middle, right? And then the old spec ones you will have won't have one. It will just have the nipple sticking out, but the nipple doesn't have a hole in the back. So the difference between this one and that one is that one drops completely to the bottom. It hits the bottom of the booster. This one has a little so much dip on top of that cap there. So you need to compensate if you're using the same pin, right? I made a hole through mine, and then that's the amount that you're pulling off. So obviously you're measuring yours on the basis of how deep your brake master is, will determine how much you got there or how much you're going to remove. You understand? See, there's a line there. I got the opposite side, there's a line on both sides. I'm just going to cut this now. I've got my depth. See, the shaft is a little oblong, but it's nothing as long as one point of it is center. See there at center? I must just shorten that now. That mod's done, and then I'm just recoating all of this. As you can see, I've already fitted it and pulled it apart and fitted it again and measured, and yeah. So if you're not taking the one with a pinhole in there with the boosters, then you gotta modify and make your own. Otherwise, don't forget the pin. Yeah, I was told when I was hashtag, but I bought this about 4 or 5 days ago, and I'm only fitting it now.